Now we connect the connector. This is the power connector. We insert inside. It's black and red. And this is the lamp bulb connector. Okay, so, and this side, right? And this is the plastic palm connector, and the side here. And this is the filter pump. Red, black, yellow, white connectors. And this is the incubator connectors. And this too small is the fence. One is the lamp fence. The other is the party fan. Party fan first. Yes. Okay. And this the filter motor. Power supply. Power supply. Okay, and this is the signal connectors. Okay, put inside this. And this is the party sensor. And this the export key. Okay. And this is the filter optical connectors. Good. Okay.